Heavy rainfall swept across Sulaymaniyah in northern Iraq, turning ordinary streets into wide streams and pushing water into low-lying neighborhoods. By early morning on December 9, 2025, rivers in the area were already swelling, and several of them eventually spilled over, sending water rushing into nearby districts. Local crews described how quickly conditions shifted. One moment, traffic was moving slowly through wet roads. The next, entire sections were submerged. Civil defense teams moved between flooded blocks as reports of damage continued to grow. Homes filled with water, vehicles stalled, and residents tried to navigate streets transformed by the rising currents. Officials later confirmed 2 deaths connected to the severe flooding: a 70-year-old man who died when a wall collapsed during the rain, and a 24-year-old woman who drowned as water levels surged. Their stories underscored the force of the storm and how suddenly it reshaped the city. Across Sulaymaniyah, the rainfall left behind layers of mud, broken infrastructure, and uncertainty about the days ahead. Yet, communities worked together, clearing debris, supporting neighbors, and assessing the full scale of the storm's impact.